children, good morning everyone. I hope all are good. Okay children, last two class we learned introduction of cricket skills. Today I will explain to all batting skills. Okay children, batting skills, defense skills are there, drive skills are there and short skills are there. Today I will teach you defense skills children. Children, when they are practicing batting skills, you first before practice you do some stretching workouts. How to run, how to do some stretching workouts. When they are doing some stretching workouts, your body come on heat, you playing in proper way. Okay children, now I am showing first upper body to lower body workouts. How to do, everyone watch careful and do at home children. Okay children, now I am showing, please everyone look at here. Don't stand like that children, don't stand like that. Everyone position on shoulder while expression beyond side. Look at children, everyone stretch your body up, raise your hands, interlock fingers, raise your on toes 10 times. Okay children, again up next workout, side bending. Don't pull your elbows beyond interlock fingers, side out bend 1 2 3 4 on both side 10 10 or 20 times. Okay children, next keep on trunk, both hands and neck rotation. Reverse, side to side, down, up, down, up. Okay children, next one hand rotation, reverse, opposite hand, reverse, both hand rotation. Raise your hands forward, keep on position. In three type of exercises are there beta, up, down and back. Keep on side, pressure on side, 1 2 3 10 counts. Again down method, 1 2 3 4 10 counts. Back fist bend, 1 2 3 4 5 10 counts. Same opposite hand exercise also, same number 3 method, 1 2 10 counts. Again down, 1 2 10 counts. Again back, 1 2 10 counts. Okay children, this workout 10 times reach and position. Okay, stretch your inside elbows, 1 2 3, the 10 times in both sides. Okay children, now back overhead, 1, look at here once, 1 2 3, the 10 times. The both sides alternate. Next position of left hand and pole, keep on position, 1 2, shoulder rotation, reverse, trunk rotation, reverse, side to side, 10 times children, everyone 10 times. Each exercise on 10 times. Okay, after then ankle rotation. In forward ankle rotation, reverse, side to side, up and down. Again opposite leg, same ankle rotation. Don't pull your elbows, don't pull your knees, beyond straight. Reverse, side to side. Again position, keep back side, left leg, ankle rotation, reverse, side to side and back press, 1 2 10 times. Again opposite leg, ankle rotation, back side better, reverse, side to side, up and back press. Okay children, again let's bend your knees. Next workouts, 1 2 3, both side 10 or 20 times. Okay, such a inside, 1 2, your both side 10 times and 20 times. A back leg, no. Everyone pull the back leg, hands up, you could touch the ground, 1 2, 10 times to 20 times. Okay, children, before running, this workout everyone do before practice. Okay, children, now how to run? I'll show first 15 to 20 minutes, slow to speed run. Everyone look at yours. Don't pull your knees, don't close your fingers, don't open your mouth, take on nose, release on mouth, release on nose. Everyone look at their one side, show how to run. Just run the 15 times, 15 times. Look at your on toes. Cycling, I need cycling. Second back cycling. Side to side. Slow jog. Forward cycling. Side. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After running, I will show some stretching for children. Next slide. Breathe in, breathe out. Take on nose, release on mouth. Again, 2 legs forward. Next bite. 3-point toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 times, everyone. Bend your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Control. Again, leg forward kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 times, children. Opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times. Again, let's forward position up. Look at everyone. Last stretching workout. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, zigzag. Children, this workout everyone do before practice. Okay. Now I am showing defense skill. How to play defense skills in count wise. Everyone follow. Okay. Come to the action. Okay, children. When the whole bat, the right hand keep on side, roll it back. Okay, left hand be on side, in front. Okay, everyone bat hold like that. Your legs position and shoulder level. Don't stand like that. Don't stand like that. Everyone position of batting standing position. Okay, madam. Everyone when they're standing, when they lift the bat, don't go out, keep outside. Don't keep inside. Be on straight. Okay, look at your children. Now I am showing defense skills count wise. Okay, forward defense, backward defense, cover defense, and on defense. Now I am showing forward defense. Okay, ready? Action. Count number 1. Chill out.
Bat lift.
Count number 2.
Footwork.
Count number 3.
Defense.
Defense. Look at your children in the position defense beyond toes in bad position. Look forward, back leg, keep on toes. This is the forward defense. Once again, I'll show children. Come on. Count number 1, bat lift. Wait. Count number 1, bat lift. Count number 2, footwork. Count number 3, position on defense. Ready? Yeah? Okay, children. Ready? Start. Now again start. Forward defense. 1,
Footwork.
3,
Defense.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 20 seconds. You have the control position. Now cover defense. Count number 1.
Bat lift.
Count number 2. Take one step. Right side. Bad position on. F8. Count number 3.
Defense.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now position of on defense. This is the cover defense, no? Once you get here, all of you. Count number 1, bat lift. Count number 2, take one step sideward and right side. Count number 3, position on cover defense. Okay, so once again, cover defense. Count number 1. Count number 2. Count number 3. Defense. This is the cover defense. Now I'm saying back foot defense. Look at that, children. How to do back foot defense? Count number 1, bat lift. Count number 2, take one step back. Count number 3, position up, back foot defense. Okay, beta, look at here once. Count number 1.
Bat lift.
Count number 2.
Footwork.
Count number 3.
Defense.
Defense. This is the back foot defense. Now I am showing on defense. Okay, beta, once again repeat. Once again repeat. I'll show over back foot defense. Count number 1, bat lift.
2.
Footwork. 3. Defense. Position of back foot defense. Now I am showing on defense. Ready? Count number 1.
Bat lift.
Count number 2.
Footwork.
One left side leg position. Count number 3.
Defense.
Defense. This position of on defense. Again I will short one. Once again repeat. On defense. Count number 1, bat lift. Count number 2, keep on side left side. Count number 3, position of defense. Let's start once again repeat. Count number 1.
1. Bat lift.
Count number 2.
Footwork.
Count number 3.
Defense.
Defense. Okay, Akshil. One small down to Soma. 4 discipline defense skills. Count number 1.
1.
Forward defense. 2.
2. Footwork.
3.
3. Defense.
This is the forward defense. Now I am showing cover defense. Count number 1.
Bat lift.
Count number 2.
Footwork.
Count number 3.
Defense.
Cover defense. Now I am showing back foot defense, children. Everyone, watch carefully this video and do practice at home. Back foot defense now. Count number 1.
Bat lift.
Count number 2.
Footwork.
Count number 3.
Defense.
This is the back foot defense. Last on defense. Count number 1.
Bat lift.
Count number 2.
Footwork.
Count number 3.
Defense.
1. The defense skills. On defense. Listen, children, you first focus on defense skills. You do any practice game, first do stretching workouts. Everyone watch careful and do at home, children. You first focus on defense skills. Once again, good morning. Jai Hind.